Flashing lights, our dreams collide, and here we are standing on the edge, so far from where we thought we'd ever be. So why don't we know what to do now? 'Cause I've been waiting for you to bring me back to life, and you've been waiting for me to be someone else this time. I've been waiting for you to bring me back to life, and you've been waiting for me to be someone else this time. Faster than this roller coaster crashed into the sun. So far from where we thought we'd ever be. So why don't we know what to do now? 'Cause I've been waiting for you to bring me back to life, and you've been waiting for me to be someone else this time. I've been waiting for you to bring me back to life, and you've been waiting for me to be someone else this time.
Here we are at Texas Children's Hospital. We got a hatchback full of toys, and we got another hatchback full of toys. Thought this was cool. Check this out. It's a bag of just lots of Hot Wheels. That's what happens when you have a toy drive for a car meet. Everything for the first one? We still got a little more left. Okay, got it. Oh shoot. Turn right here.
Thank you so much. Again this year.
Yeah, always. Now we loot. Yeah, filled up. So this is everything that we donated from our 2017 car show. Just look like this. All of this is from us. That is a lot of toys. And something to point out from this is not just like a bunch of random like stuff. This is a lot of like cool quality toys like Carvana, quality fluffy bears, Lamborghinis, Let's Go Fish, Connect 4, Hot Wheels, more Hot Wheels, a lot of Hot Wheels, Twister. You get the point. This is all really special and really awesome to me just because I know me and my team work really hard on this show, and it's really awesome to see the community give back, or even more than what we put into it. I mean, we have a whole room filled with toys from just you, the community, the people who come to our show, make it what it is. And for me and for my team, that is something incredible and something that is awesome. Something I would like to say is our next show is going to be February, what is it? It's going to be either February 17th or the 24th. I'm not sure yet, but by the time I put this video out, I will know for sure, so it'll probably be like right here. But that's going to be our next show. Again, all of this from you, the community. Thank y'all so much. It made our day, it made our Christmas, it made our year. And it's always a great way to end out the year. 2017 was awesome. 2018 is going to be even better. So until then, I'll see you at the next show.